Athelstan, Adworth, Skwardya.
Tomakan, Athelstan, y midden y Bexosneck, la giraffe, na lathyrig y ddoglan heians ethnic. Well, y Tomakan, Athelstan, y midden y Bexosneck, la giraffe, na lathyrig y ddoglan heians ethnic. Athelstan.
Now, just before we go, how do you say obla di obla da in Cornish? Well, a band from Camborne in Cornwall has translated some of the Beatles' most famous tracks into the Celtic language in a bid to make it more widely spoken.
I thought fewer than 400 people actually speak Cornish fluently, but we can talk in English to Matthew Clark
Cornish.
and Dave Miller, band members of Skwardya. Is that how I pronounce that properly?
Skwardya.
Skwardya. Very good.
That's it, Skwardya.
How would you say good morning then in Cornish?
Mitin da you.
Mitten da to you too.
That's how it is.
Why did you decide to do this?
Well, I mean, I love the Beatles and I love the Cornish language. And well, I was sitting in the bath one day just singing the odd Cornish song and the odd Beatles song, and then some Cornish words to some Beatles songs just came into my head, and I thought, those sort of work. So I tried it out and continued with some others, and before I knew it, had 4 songs in Cornish.
Okay, well, we're going to hear one of them in a moment or two. Just how many Cornish speakers are there around at the moment?
Well, there's a growing amount of Cornish speakers. I don't know all of them, and I always bump into new people who I've never met before, and they speak Cornish. There's a lot of people learning it from scratch, and it's becoming more people are becoming interested in it, and there's classes all across Cornwall and outside of Cornwall as well.
Okay, well, Matthew and Dave, I know people at the moment can download the music, can't they? But let's hear a taster then of what it sounds like.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
Eddon of Carenza, Hakara all and praise. Indra the Lavero, the balls for prison breeze. Sinzi, Cara, Sinzi. I see the roll rag, I see the roll, I see the roll rag, I see the roll, I see the roll rag, I see the roll, I see the roll rag, I see the roll. I see the roll rag, I see the roll. I'm in this mirror, miss my guitar, I'm in this mirror, miss my guitar. I see the roll rag, I see the roll. I'm in this mirror, miss my guitar, I'm in this mirror, miss my guitar.
The Fab Four wowed millions of fans over the last 40 years, a bit of an understatement, I think, but today, across the land, the Fab Two have been causing their own stir, singing Beatles songs in Cornish.
The duo Skwardya have themselves been thoroughly taken aback at their newfound fame, and Louise Midgley caught up with them, drawing the crowds on Truro's Lemon Key.
I feel fine as you've never heard it before. The Skwardya duo have been singing Cornish songs for years, but it was an inspired moment that led them to the Beatles.
I sing the Beatles a lot at home, sit in the bath and sing the Beatles, and some Cornish words for some of them came. I thought, those fit. Wow, I wonder if I can do any more.
Well, there followed renditions of She Loves You, 8 days a week, Something, and of course I Feel Fine, before Matthew started getting email translations from all over the world, even New Zealand. Pressures on them both.
They're not that easy. They sound as if they roll off the tongue, and but when you get down to it, when you take it to bits, they're good songs, they're difficult songs.
Dr. Ken George would agree. He's currently working on Yesterday, for that being the one-syllable day.
Well, Cornish is a very flexible language, but I need all the flexibility I can muster in order to carry out the translation.
The Beatles were no strangers to the West Country. Many a young lass swooned when they appeared in Plymouth, as this footage discovered in the vaults of the South West Film Archive shows. Whatever would they think of this?
Yeah, he and Karen don't quit no.
I think we're better than the Beatles. Yes, and it's so lovely to hear it in another language.
If you're a Beatles fan like we are from way back in the 60s, yeah, it was worth listening to and different.
Well, I always knew I had a career in the rock industry. Just remember this, guys, when you get to Wembley. Louise Midgley in Truro for West Country News.
Very good.
Long road to Wembley, of course, but that, of course, is the way to bring a language back to life again, sing it. And, of course, Cornish being a Celtic language, very lyrical, ideal.
Yeah, how's your Cornish? Yeah.